This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on playing 4 different melodies together that are written in the key of G flat major. So we've got 6 flats in the key signature. Super fun. Lots and lots of flats. We've been working on these flats for a little while, so we're in good shape to just play these melodies. As we're playing these melodies, of course, we're reading them in standard music notation right in first position on the guitar, as that is the focus of this lesson series. And we'll be playing these melodies right along with bass, drums, and guitar accompaniment, as that makes it super fun, and it's just helpful. It helps us keep in time and play these melodies, makes it feel like we're playing some really great music. So this video accompanies lesson 24 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we'll be on pages 154 and 155 playing songs 13, 14, 15, and 16. We'll just go right in that order. There's nothing crazy about any of these. We've done so much note reading at this point. I don't really need to point out anything. There's nothing different about playing these songs than other ones that we've done, other than the fact that we are now working with 6 flats in the key signature. So we'll just go ahead and play them. Each one will happen twice, first at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. It's going to be great. Let's do it. All right, it's kind of hard to believe it, but we've made it all the way through lesson 24. There's only one more lesson in the note reading book. So in the next video, we're going to move into lesson 25 from the note reading book. We're going to look at C sharp major and C flat major. We rarely play in those keys, but they have 7 sharps or 7 flats. We rarely play in them because they overlap with the keys that have 5 flats or 5 sharps. And it's much easier to play in a key, reading in a key where we only have 5 sharps or 5 flats, but occasionally they do happen. So we're going to practice reading some melodies with those, and then working our way through lesson 25. We've got some other just fun songs at the back of the book as we finish off this lesson series. Huge congratulations as we get to this point, because we've really gotten so we're learning to read melodies in first position. We got first position mastered, and as we continue on past this, we start working our way with note reading book 3 along the fretboard. So great things to come. Take care, and I will see you again.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.